So I'm like, okay, that would imply millions of people. And so if this was indeed an ancient or a site of an ancient civilization, well then it would have. I mean, they're obviously not going to have skyscrapers, so it would have to be an area big enough to sustain that many people, and the Rishat structure certainly does.
And so the idea would be that this would lead out to the ocean, and that these circles would be where the water is, and then the ridges would be where the structures are, where the houses and the buildings are.
Yep. Well,
but if you just look at what's going on with the sand and those clear water erosion marks on the sand, but that also could be wind, right? Couldn't the way that the ripples in that sand, couldn't that be wind?
Those are giant ripples. Yes. Well, it's a combination, rock and sand in between. Right. So the implication is that it was blasted by water, and then after that, the wind has done its thing and moved the sand all over it and in between. So 5,000. So Plato so this is 600 BC, and Plato said that it happened 9,000 years earlier. So that would be 11,600 years ago, which coincides with the Younger Dryas climate catastrophe, which makes it so compelling. To me, that is actual scientific evidence that indicates that Atlantis actually existed. Because it's very specific. A civilization got fucked.